Fix Roblox continue installation without flag settings. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to Play Store and then search for Roblox. Here, if you see the update button instead of open button, simply tap on it and get the latest version of application. Next step is go to settings, go to apps, find Roblox, go to its storage section and tap on clear cache. Next step is if the update does not work, simply uninstall the application and reinstall it back. And that should fix your problem. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down. I'll catch you in the next one.